Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Mints account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Mints account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in mint.intuit.com and make a search. The official page of Mints account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Mints account and tap on Login. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Mints account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.